Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rama, and in today's video I have a Kiehl'S face mask skincare review video for you all. Now, if you have been following me for a very long time, or if you guys have watched my videos recently, or if you follow me on my social, which is Instagram, that you guys might know that I love Kiehl'S skincare. Now, this is the only skincare brand that I use at the moment because the products are amazing, fabulous, amazing price point, and they work wonders on my skin. I don't know if you guys can tell on my skin that there's no spots, touch wood, even though there was a glass in there, but I have no spots at the moment. But it's all thanks to Kiehl'S. The products are great, they work really great on my skin, and I highly suggest you guys to go and check out their products. But anyways, before I rumble on, I have a review video of a face mask that I've been using for quite a few months now, because I really want to use a product and then give my opinion rather than I do like a first impression kind of a video. So I did use this product for quite a long time, and it is the Turmeric and Cranberry Seeds Energizing Radiance Mask. It comes in this kind of orange packaging. Now, the whole kind of packaging and the whole kind of concept of Kiehl'S products are great. They're very minimalistic, very like laboratory that you will find in the labs. Love the kind of fonts that they use. It's very like unique, very modern, very classic, and that's all you want basically. Now, this particular mask really drew me in because it said the radiance that it will give to your skin, or it kind of brightens your skin. Nowadays I'm all about the brightening skin. I use their Clear Collective solutions. I don't know if I made a kind of review of the serum. I'm not sure if I did one, but if I did, I'm gonna let you guys know as well about it very soon. But I use the serum, it kind of brightens as well, and also this brightens also my skin. I'm gonna read what it says on the bottle, so it gives you a rough idea of the product. So, our instant facial brightens and energizes the look of dull and fatigued skin to restore a healthy looking rosy appearance. Formulated with cranberry and turmeric, this inventory formulation helps to visibly brighten skin for illuminating appearance. Couldn't really read. While crushed cranberry seeds gently exfoliate for renewed, smoother feeling skin. I'm gonna open how it looks. So I don't know if you guys can see from the bottle. Oh wow, I used quite a lot. Now it zooms onto my thing. Can you guys see how much I used? I went quite harsh on this one. Can you guys see how much I used? I went quite harsh on this one, not gonna lie, but it's so great. I love face masks. So basically the main ingredient, it has turmeric and cranberry. Obviously the turmeric is very known in the Asian culture for brightening the skin. It's kind of this kind of powder that they brighten on your skin. It's very good. It removes kind of the impurities, and it also removes the dark, what is it called, pigmentation, the dark pigmentation that you might have on your skin after a spot. And the cranberry is good for exfoliating. Now, it has cranberry seeds on it, so it's great for exfoliating. Now, it does have instructions behind the bag, but it's very straightforward how to use a face mask. It does say leave for 10 minutes and use it. You can use it up to 3 times per week, but I only use it once a week, which is great. Do not use it around the eye area. So the way I use it is obviously cleanse face. I like to use it before I jump into the shower. So I have a clean face, wash my face, then I'm gonna apply a thin layer onto my skin, avoiding the eye area as it says on the directions, around the mouth, make a nice layer on my beard to get a softer beard, and I leave it for a good half an hour, 40 minutes, 1 hour. depending how much time I have, and then I jump into the shower. Now you can use it like a facial washcloth to remove the face mask, but I like to jump into the shower and rinse it off in there. However, it might get a little bit messy because if you leave it for a very long time like I do, the cranberry seeds get really hard on your skin, so it makes it a little bit more harsher to exfoliate. However, if you use it for the good 10 minutes, the cranberry seeds are amazing for exfoliating the skin and removing the dark impurities that you have on your skin and the pigmentations and the dark skin cells, all of this rubbish from your face. So it gives you a 2-in-1 basically. It gives you a face mask and also like a facial scrub as well, which is great. I like to use a face mask when I have a special event or a special day that my skin needs to look very great. It is one of those instant facial face masks, so a 10-minute face mask, a quick face mask, which is great. So if you have a last minute thing going on, then use this for a good 10 minutes and your skin is like new basically, which is great. But I like to use it for hours, half an hour, 2 hours, and then jump into the shower and rinse it off. But this is great. And also, speaking of the smell, it smells very clean, very fresh. I can smell the citrus of the cranberry and this kind of powdery kind of scent of the turmeric. Also, when you rinse it with warm water and use circular motions with the cranberry seeds to get nice exfoliate around the nose and around the forehead to get rid all of the skin cells that you have. So this product comes in one size, which is this size. It is 100 ml for 3.4 fluid ounces, and it retails for £36, which is great. And honestly, I'm so impressed with this face mask. They have a bunch of other different type of face masks, like a anti-aging one, another refreshing one, energizing one, different kind of ones. There's a green one. There's also like a new one that have brought out in a yellow color, I think. It's more like a nourishing one. Very interested to try them out, but I haven't yet. And also they have another one, which is the deep rare earth face mask, which is also great. I've had a small sample, but I used everything up, which was also an amazing face mask. So overall, I'm very impressed with this face mask and I'm loving it. Obviously Kiehl'S, the other products I use, I'm not disappointed, and obviously I would have known, then I wouldn't be disappointed with this product as well. I'm gonna leave a lot of links down below in the description for you guys to go and check it out. Go into the Kiehl'S boutiques. You will find them nowadays everywhere. Go and try them on your back of your skin. Feel the texture, feel it how it is. If you find it too gritty or too harsh, there are other ones that you can choose as well. But definitely go and check this one out because you will be definitely impressed and not disappointed. So that was it with this review video. I hope you guys all liked it and enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a like. Also don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe button is just down below. Also follow me on my Instagram, which is @RamaVlogger, for daily posts such as fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, see you all in my next video. Bye.